The empty room. Lupe sits alone in her small apartment. The walls are white. The room feels too big now. Lupe moved to the city 1 year ago. She came from a small village full of trees, flowers, and kind faces. Life was simple there. She knew every neighbor. People smiled and said, "Hello." The air smelled like rain and earth. She came here with her husband, David. They wanted a better life. Their 2 sons stayed with Lupe's mother for a short time. Lupe and David needed to find a home. At first, everything was big and new. The city was big and loud. The cars never stopped. The lights were always on. Lupe missed the dark, quiet nights, but David made her feel strong. Now, David is gone. He packed his bags last week. He said, "I'm sorry," and left. He didn't say much more. Maybe he thought she needed someone else. Maybe he missed their boys too much. Maybe he didn't love her anymore. The door closed with a soft sound. Lupe sat on the couch for a long time. The room felt empty. Lupe looks at the door. She waits, but no one comes. Her heart feels heavy, like a stone. She stands up slowly. Her legs feel like they are made of wood. She walks to the kitchen. She makes a cup of tea. The tea smells good, but it tastes like nothing. Her hands shake as she holds the cup. She feels cold inside. Lupe sits by the window. It is raining outside. The sky is gray. She watches the drops fall. 1, 2, 3. Too many to count. The street is empty. Only the rain speaks tonight. She thinks about her village. She thinks about her mother's kitchen. It was warm there. It smelled like fresh bread and sweet coffee. She sees her mother's face in her mind. Her mother is smiling. Lupe touches the window. It is cold. Her hand is cold too. The silence is loud. She closes her eyes. She remembers David's smile. She remembers their walks in the park. They laughed. They dreamed about a happy life. She hears David's voice in her head. "Everything will be okay," he said. A car passes on the wet street. The lights flash on the wall. Then it is dark again. Lupe stands up. She wraps a blanket around her shoulders. She walks to the bookshelf. There is a small book there. It is a small prayer book from her mother. The book is soft and worn. She opens the book. Inside is a note. It says, "Always remember, my daughter, you are never truly alone. God walks with you." Lupe feels a tear on her cheek. She smiles, just a little. Her heart feels a little lighter. She sits down on the couch. She holds the prayer book close to her heart. Outside, the rain starts to slow. The drops tap, tap, tap on the glass. Lupe looks at the door again. It is still closed. But now, she is not afraid. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow, she will take a small step. Maybe she will visit the market. Maybe she will say hello to a neighbor. Tonight, Lupe is sad, but she knows she will be okay. She closes her eyes. She whispers, "Thank you," into the quiet room. Slowly, very slowly, she falls asleep. Questions to ponder. 1. Why do you think Lupe feels so sad after David leaves? 2. Have you ever felt alone like Lupe? What helped you feel better? 3. What do you think Lupe will do tomorrow? Why? 4. What is the importance of the prayer book in the story? Five. Why do you think Lupe smiles at the end of the story? Thank you for listening and pondering with us.